everybody, Brian from Custom Classics. Here behind me is, without a doubt, the nicest 57 Handyman wagon that I have ever seen. This car, from its fit, its finish, its paintwork, its detail work, is just absolutely over the top. As you'll see by looking at our pictures and looking at the underside photos, and the detail work is just crazy on this one. Let me give you a quick rundown on what they did on this car. It's got a LS2 that's been built, putting out 510 horsepower, which is pretty good, 480 foot-pounds of torque, so it'll get it. It's got a nice 9-inch rear end with 373 gears, has a 4L65E automatic trans in it, adjustable coilovers all the way around on this thing, has Wellwood 4-wheel disc brakes at all 4 corners, intro custom wheels on it with some nice Michelins. Whoever did the chrome work on this car, it is really, really well done. Super detailed, fit and finish on everything, just again incredible. I know I've said that, but this car is breathtaking over the top. Paint on this car, obviously urethane base coat clear, dripping wet, blocked and wet sanded, absolutely smooth like a sheet of glass. Even the dashboard and interior trim pieces on this car, they have also been wet sanded and polished. It's just, the details are incredible. Nice red leather interior, high-end carpet that's in this thing. Even the trim shop went over the top on this. This build took 5 years for this customer, and I'm sure set them back way more than what this car is currently being listed at. So check it out on the webpage, read all the details there in case I'm forgetting anything. You'll see it all. Again, in person, this car will blow you away, and I'm thinking with the way these guys have done the photos and the video here, you're going to agree. If you got any questions, give us a call. Be happy to answer any of those questions for you, and we can take it out and show you around on this thing if you want. And that's about it on this particular car. Don't forget to look us up on all of our socials and reach out to us if you have more questions. Thanks for watching.